this is lesson 3. All right, so let's review what we've done so far in the first 2 lessons. What is rhythm? Well, rhythm is the constant speed or a constant pattern. Sorry, rhythm is the constant pattern of sound. Tempo is the speed. How many beats does a quarter note receive? Well, it receives 1 beat of sound. A quarter rest receives 1 beat of silence. Number 5, the 2 notes that do not get a sharp is E and B. Say the complete musical alphabet. Well, it's A sharp, B, C, C sharp, D, D sharp, E, F, F sharp, G, G sharp, A. What does a time signature tell us? Well, the top number tells us how many beats are going to be in each measure. What is a measure? Well, a measure is a section of music. How many beats does a half note receive? 2 beats of sound. And the half rest receives 2 beats of rest or silence. A whole note receives 4 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. And a whole rest receives 4 beats of silence. So today we're going to be talking about the 3/4 time signature and the dotted half note. All right, dotted half note. Today we will learn a new note. It will be the last note we'll learn for a few weeks. Our new note is the dotted half note. A dotted note is a note with a small dot written after it. The dot gets half of the beat's original notes. When you see a half note followed by a dot, it will receive 3 beats. Half note gets 2 beats. Half of 2 is 1. 2 plus 1 equals 3. So when I play it, I'll play it once and count to 3. 1, 2, 3, off. All right, clap with your teacher, the dotted half notes. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now let's play it on the guitar. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, off. What we have done is just played in a new time signature. The new time signature is 3/4. So remember, the top number tells us how many beats. So 3 means there's going to be 3 beats per measure. And the bottom note tells us what kind of note. Well, that's still 4, so it's still a quarter note. The only new thing is that a whole note will now get 3 beats. You might say, you told me last week that a whole note gets 4 beats. The truth is, the whole note gets the whole measure. So if we're in 4/4, you'll get 4 beats. In our new time signature, the whole note will only receive 3 beats, the whole measure. So here we are in example 1. 1, 2, ready, go. Rest, rest, rest. 1, 2, 3. Rest, rest, rest. 1, 2, 3. Rest, rest, rest. All right, example 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Rest, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Off. All right, so now we have 2 beat sheets. We have beat sheet 2 and we have beat sheet 3. A beat sheet 2 is just regular every day in 3/4. So 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. All right, in beat sheet 3, the first part's going to be in 4/4, and then we will switch to 3/4. It will sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. All right, so homework for our A section, we want you to play beat sheet 2 times a day and beat sheet 3 2 times a day. Now, in our technique and musicianship side of things, playing in 3/4, when playing in 3/4, make sure to count every beat out loud. Play the following examples with your teachers. All right, so we've got our down and we have our up strokes. I'm playing here on the 3rd fret of the 1st string, which is a G note. So I'm going to go down, 2, 3, down, 2, 3, down, up, down, down, 2, 3, rest, 2, 3. All right, now let's try all 6. We're going to put my hand on top of the string so I'm not, you can't hear anything. So we're going to go down, 2, 3, down, 2, 3, down, up, 2, 3, rest, 2, 3. So that was actually example 1, and then what I played first was example 2. We want to go through each individual string and play that. All right, with your pick. All right, so example 3. Now we're going to play with our notes. All right, so these are going to be notes that are on the first 2 strings. So this A is 1st string, 5th fret. 1, 2, 3, followed by B, which is 2nd string open. 1, 2, 3, then followed by C, 2nd string, 1st fret. So C, 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 back to A. So the whole thing sounds like down, 2, 3, down, 2, 3, down, up, 2, 3, rest, 2, 3. All right, now, how about this one? I'll go back to that G note and play this. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, or I'm sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, 2, 3, up. 1, ba, ba. All right. So once we get to all of our strings, up, down, 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 up, down, down. All right, so homework is we want you to play all the examples in section B every day, once. All right, now we have our song. Our song is going to be notes on these first 2 strings. You got a C, 2nd string, 1st fret, F, 1st string, 1st fret, G, 1st string, 3rd fret, D, 2nd string, 3rd fret. So if I was to play this song, 1, rest, rest, C, C, F, F, rest, G, rest, rest, C, D, C, rest, B, B, E, rest, 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 B, C. Then the next part of this, 1, C, rest, B, rest, C, D, rest, rest, D, C, B, rest, rest, G, rest, C, rest, C, 2, 3, D, 2, rest, rest, C, D, D, C, B, G, 2, 3, rest. All right, so if you have any questions, we want that to be played 5 times a day this week. If you have any questions, make sure that you get in the Google Classroom and contact me. All right, have a great day.